Hey everyone! If you want to add a trusted connection on Roblox safely and quickly, don't worry. I'm going to walk you through the exact steps you need to follow. Just go step by step and you'll have it set up in no time. First, open your Roblox app. Once you're inside, look at the top right corner of your screen and tap on your profile icon. After opening your profile, you'll see a QR code option. Tap on it and your personal Roblox QR code will appear on the screen. Now here's the important part. To successfully add a trusted connection, both accounts must be verified. Your account needs to be verified, and the person you want to connect with must also have their account verified. If either account isn't verified, the trusted connection feature won't work. Once both accounts are verified, they can scan your QR code directly from their device using the QR scanner inside Roblox, or you can copy your profile link and send it to them instead. As soon as they scan the code or open the link, they'll be able to add you instantly. And that's it. Once the link is opened or the code is scanned, the trusted connection will be successfully created between both of you. That's the easiest way to add trusted connections on Roblox. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick guides.